Okay, so welcome to what we're doing is doing a discovery session within Secret Server, and we're going to find accounts within the system and then bring those back. We'll show how that works in the setup process of that. So let's take a look. So we're going to come in here. We're going to take a look at the Active Directory. That's the vault that we're going to be scanning. And we're going to take a look at a few options that are afforded to us within this. And one of them is going to be the domain scopes. So what we do here is we take a look at Active Directory, and we're going to focus on some OUs. So it's going to pull back the users, computer groups, and so forth. So we're going to see all that being brought back. Also, next up here is we take a look at scanners that are on the environment. And so we have a Windows Service Scanner, a Scheduled Task Scanner, an Application Pool Scanner, and a Windows Local Account Scanner. This is the local admins group within the server. So next up, we're going to take a look at the network view and how that works. So we've done our scan. We're going to bring that back, and we can see now all of our accounts that have been brought back into in Secret Server, the platform, from our scanning process. So we can then filter from that, and we can take a look at computers. We'll take a look at those real quick. You have the computers, we have service accounts, and then we have, lastly, we have our local admin accounts, which are going to be right here for our computer accounts. So we see that we can bring all these back because we have our local admin accounts, service accounts, and computers. So we bring these back into this view that we can manage the service accounts, local admin accounts within the vault. We can rotate those passwords on either a regular scheduled basis on like 30-day, 90-day, or 6 months, or whatever the case may be, whatever the cadence that you desire is. And then also we can take a look at those. We have those in there, service accounts and local admin accounts. So that is how we work, and we scan, and we bring those accounts back into Secret Server, the vault, to protect them, rotate the passwords. We can see now that we have those in effect, and they will then be protected. So thank you for watching.